December 25, 2021, the world watched as the James Webb Telescope was sent into space. This event opened a new window to the hidden secrets of the cosmos for experts. Around 6 months after the launch of the James Webb Telescope, it provided us with the first astonishing images. However, this marked just the beginning of its ambitious mission. As its journey unfolds, our understanding of the universe will expand into entirely new realms. Alongside the investigation of the first luminous formations and galaxies that emerged after the Big Bang, Webb's mission will also help us find the answer to one of the oldest questions in human history. Are we alone? Proxima Centauri b. Is humanity alone in the universe? That's an old question. Even though we've found more than 5,100 planets around other stars and looked at nearly 3,800 star systems, we haven't proven there's any other life out there. We're not sure about planets like Earth where life could exist. Proxima b is a super-Earth exoplanet that orbits a M-type star. It's our nearest neighbor in space, only 4.2 light-years away. It's a bit special. It's kind of similar to Earth on a scale. But does this mean there's life? We're not sure, because we lack substantial information about our extrasolar neighbor. Recent studies show it's about 1.17 times heavier than Earth. It spins in a way that makes one side hot and bright, while the other side is dark and cooler. Impossible galaxy. The James Webb Telescope brought in a new era of exploration. Researchers aim to get closer to the Big Bang than ever before. The telescope's data goes back about 13.5 billion years, and the Big Bang is thought to have happened 13.8 billion years ago. Among the surprises was Glass C13, a bright galaxy. Surprisingly, it appeared only 400 million years after the Big Bang, challenging what we thought about how galaxies form. Glass C13's age was guessed to be 13.4 billion years. According to current ideas, the universe began with the Big Bang, forming important forces within the first second. Helium and hydrogen came into being within 3 minutes. Stars formed 150 million years later, some joining structures of invisible matter, perhaps creating early galaxies. When heavier stuff showed up, galaxies like the ones we see today might have taken shape over 1 billion years. The discovery of Glass C13 made these ideas unclear. Its early appearance wasn't expected, making us think differently about how the universe began. This finding made people talk about whether the Big Bang theory is really true, as more signs suggested different explanations. Since then, more galaxies have shown up, making us wonder about what we used to believe. The oldest galaxy in the universe. The Deep Field image was one of NASA's first pictures shared with researchers and people on Earth. It shows galaxies, groups of galaxies, and stars near us in space. The James Webb Telescope let scientists see farther into space than ever before. Reports came in about the oldest galaxy, very close to the Big Bang. This could help us understand how the universe began. Even with the super telescope, these galaxies look blurry. But the picture shows more than stars and galaxies. It's like looking into the past. Imagine seeing a star's light that took 10 years to reach us. Intense brightness. During this nearly 2-year time frame, the James Webb Telescope has been a beacon of exploration, uncovering a multitude of captivating findings. Amidst these remarkable revelations, one discovery that stands out is the intriguing CEER 1749. This distant galaxy has caught our attention with its extraordinary luminosity. To put it into perspective, the galaxy's brightness, measuring at -22, is staggeringly high. What makes this even more perplexing is the fact that such intense luminosity seems excessive for a galaxy that supposedly existed a mere 220 million years after the Big Bang. Unusual form. Let's stay with CEER 1749 for a bit, because when seen from far away, it's hard to figure out the exact shape and type of CEER 1749. This strange thing might be a big galaxy with a smaller one orbiting it, or the outcome of 2 galaxies merging together. But even these ideas don't really fit with what we know about the universe 200 to 300 million years after the Big Bang. Still, the biggest surprise that challenges what we thought is yet to be shown. As we conclude this journey into the realm of the James Webb Telescope, one thing is clear. The James Webb Telescope has already shaken up the world of science with these images. And we can undoubtedly suspect more extraordinary discoveries in the months and years to come.